Hey amigos, this is CM de la Vega, editor and motion graphic artist for the NFL, ESPN, Fox, and Discovery. I have a passion for teaching others what I've learned over the years, and since 2014, I've been doing After Effects tutorials on YouTube. But that wasn't enough. I wanted to give students the opportunity to know After Effects at my skill level. So I present to you CM Teaches After Effects Master Course. Unlike any other course or YouTube video on After Effects, this course teaches you how to problem solve. You will gain mastery, be equipped with knowledge, and build your confidence, combining the creative mind and the technical skills to create professional-looking graphics. In my 14 plus years of professional experience in the film and TV industry, I realized that time is one of our most precious commodities. So I designed this course with efficiency in mind to get you up and running as soon as possible. Level 1 is for those who are new to the game. Level 2 is a great starting point for those who want to sharpen their AE skills. And Level 3 is for those who want to master After Effects on a professional level. Whether you want to kickstart a career in motion graphics, freshen up your AE skills, or expand your skill set, this course will be a great mentor. Reflecting back on my career, learning and developing my AE skills over the years has been a game changer. It's opened many doors and opportunities I'd never imagined in my wildest dreams. And my hope is that this course will do the same for you. Start learning with me today, amigos, and remember that life is truly a gift. Make it count.